So after a week of wait, just a week, MSI, RMA, warranty services are amazing. They did their job. Oh my god. I would give them like 5 out of 5. Like, it made me relieved that they made a fix on my laptop. The problem with my laptop is that the fan started to like really bad noise in there, so I attempted to like replace it by my own, since there's a lot of guides online. I just followed it. I made sure it's in there. But after like a week of like using it, the laptop's starting to like get weird. The fans won't turn on. If I unplug the power supply here, the laptop, the screen won't turn on. It basically turns off. And the hard drive, the second hard drive, like on the, it won't work. Only the M.2 hard drive on this M.2 SSD. So I called up M- MSI RMA. Like, I emailed them like, there's something wrong with my laptop and I need a repair for it. So luckily I had like probably a couple weeks left on my warranty, on a year warranty. So I bought this laptop last October of 2017, last year, and I was so lucky. And then I sent it to them, and they made an amazing job. The fans are working and everything. It's basically just a brand new. They said here in the report that they made replacement for everything. I mean, they replaced the motherboard. I think the motherboard was not working. So basically, the fans were not working here. The Thunderbolt here was not working. The Thunderbolt port, and some of the ports here, like for example, I think that was the I'm not really sure which part was that. I think the USB was not working too, so it was so bad, so I had to send it to them. I was so worried that they couldn't repair it, because I think I already was skeptical that the motherboard was, there's something wrong with the motherboard. So I was like, they might not replace the motherboard because it's basically the essential part of this laptop. So I was like, no. And then when the report came, they replaced the motherboard. Oh my god, I was so lucky. This experience was amazing. MSI did a great job. I had a change of address because I moved out, and one of their whoever was in there, they told me like, can you confirm the address that I changed it online? I said yes, and they shipped it fast. MSI is amazing. I would give them 5 out of 5 stars for the services they made, even though I only had like 2 weeks left on the warranty, or probably a week or so. Amazing. Thank you very much, MSI. Thank you.